Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to record calls on Samsung phone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you have an incoming call on your Samsung phone and you pick up the call, to record the incoming call on your Samsung phone or outgoing call on your Samsung phone, all you simply need to do is locate and click on record. Then you should see the call started recording. To stop the record, click on stop recording. And then you can now end the call. Once you ended the call, you can go back to the phone app, click on the three dots at top right, click on settings, click on record calls, click on recorded calls. Then here you have access to all the recorded calls on your Samsung phone. To delete all the call recordings, click on the three dots at top right, click on select all, click on delete all, and then click on move to trash. So that's exactly how to record calls on Samsung. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.